Jack Smith, the special counsel investigating Donald Trump, has been in the spotlight amid reports that his work is approaching its conclusion. According to sources, Smith is winding down his investigations and prosecutions, a move seen by some as an effort to preempt Trump's publicly stated intention to fire him immediately if reelected. By concluding his work now, Smith may be aiming to protect his findings from potential future interference. His efforts have reportedly shifted toward preparing a comprehensive report to document the full scope of Trump's alleged misconduct. This anticipated report, comparable in scale to the Mueller report, is expected to go beyond the public court filings and reveal a more complete picture of the evidence Smith has gathered. Legal analysts believe it will highlight Trump's alleged offenses, including his handling of classified documents and his attempts to overturn the 2020 election. The report is also expected to address the roles of other individuals implicated in Trump's actions, providing a broader narrative of the events. But before we get into the details, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for your support. One prominent case involves Trump's alleged mishandling of classified information, for which he is accused of unlawfully retaining sensitive national security documents, obstructing justice by refusing to comply with a grand jury subpoena, and violating the Espionage Act. This case, currently under appeal, remains a cornerstone of Smith's investigation. Another major focus is Trump's alleged efforts to overturn the 2020 presidential election results, culminating in the attack on the U.S. Capitol on January 6, 2021. These charges are seen as critical in addressing Trump's broader actions to undermine democratic processes and federal law. There's a sense of urgency to release Smith's findings during the current administration, ensuring they are not suppressed or misrepresented under a potential Trump presidency. You need to recall how former Attorney General Bill Barr was accused of distorting the conclusions of the Mueller report, raising concerns that a similar fate could await Smith's findings. Current Attorney General Merrick Garland has promised to release any special counsel report, offering reassurance that the report will be made public. This position also brings personal risk. Trump has pledged to seek retribution against his adversaries, raising fears that Smith could become a target. While Smith has conducted his work within the bounds of the law, Trump's past attempts to weaponize the Department of Justice against political opponents have drawn criticism and heightened concerns about potential retaliation. During Trump's first term, efforts to investigate figures like former FBI Deputy Director Andrew McCabe were widely seen as politically driven. Legal experts argue that any similar actions against Smith would face significant judicial scrutiny. The federal judiciary is expected to act as a safeguard against unlawful actions by a future Trump administration. Even judges appointed by Trump have consistently upheld the rule of law and rejected attempts to abuse executive authority. Experts believe this independence will be crucial in preventing politically motivated prosecutions or retaliatory measures. Smith's prior experience includes prosecuting war crimes at the International Criminal Court, ICOR. He focused on cases involving genocide, crimes against humanity, and war crimes. While Smith could potentially return to the ICC, the United States has not ratified the Rome Statute, which limits the ICC's ability to address actions by American officials unless the U.S. joins the ICC framework. A highly unlikely scenario under a Trump administration, Smith would be unable to pursue such cases internationally. The upcoming report is expected to provide a detailed and comprehensive account of Trump's alleged actions, serving as a vital record of the evidence collected. If cases are dismissed under a Trump administration, the report could still preserve the groundwork for future legal proceedings. Smith's work highlights the importance of accountability and adherence to the rule of law, and the public eagerly awaits the next developments in this unprecedented process. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.